Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Eisenthal with you on this Sunday afternoon. Let's check out the weather headline. Indeed, it's a cold Sunday around these parts with temperatures running in the teens and low 20s. That's the way it's going to stay. There could be some flurries tonight. Light snow possible in northern New England, where they could pick up a couple of inches of snow as a warm front approaches from the southwest. A mild Monday. We jump over 40 in Boston for a time. More cold is coming, though, Monday night and Tuesday. Now, as of early on this Sunday afternoon, it's pretty cold. Temperatures are running in the teens to near 20 in Boston. Single numbers in teens in northern New England. 22 below, top of Mount Washington. The wind gusting over 100 miles an hour. The wind chill, last time I checked, top of Mount Washington was 72 degrees below zero. But note, the milder air coming into the lower Ohio Valley and the Tennessee Valley, where temperatures are running in the 40s and 50s along this warm frontal zone. And this will be making inroads into southern New England tomorrow morning. It's really going to feel like a heat wave around these parts. Radar shows a little burst of snow back through the Great Lakes. We have one patch here and another patch developing back through southwestern New York State and Pennsylvania. But it's moving off to the southeast. I think it's going to miss most of us, although we could get a few flurries later on today or tonight, but again, not a big deal. In terms of the latest satellite loop, I want to show you what's going on. We have clear sky over us now, but clouds are lurking off to our southwest. This first patch of moisture comes in tonight. Heavier clouds, maybe some flurries. And then note, there's also, I sound like Bruce Schwegler. Note the note. Come on, stop. All right, here's low pressure back into the northern Great Lakes region, drawing here. Here's the cold front trailing coming into the Great Lakes. This will move through here tomorrow afternoon with rain showers changing to snow squalls even in Boston, and behind it a very cold, strong northwest winds will plummet temperatures once again. So tomorrow, here's the deal. You wake up in the morning, it's mild. It's in the 30s. We probably hit 42, 43, maybe 44 in Boston. And then by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the Arctic front is approaching. So any showers will be going over to snow squalls that may make for a slippery commute for some of us late in the day. We'll be following that potential. Clears out tomorrow night. And by Tuesday, you know the story. We're back into the deep freeze again. Cold high pressure builds in, a northwest wind. But also note there's a stalled frontal zone in this position. I think there's going to be quite a snowstorm through portions of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, as a wave of low pressure comes out of the Gulf of Mexico. As a matter of fact, I want to show you the 500 millibar map. This is a map of 18,000 feet, which is valid for 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning. You see what's going on here. We have a shearing trough of low pressure coming into the northeast. If this were to phase with the southern branch, we'd have a snowstorm up here, but it's not going to happen. But note, this southern branch has a lot of energy with it, and I'm looking for a snowstorm in the southeastern portion of the country. It's going to make national news. You wait and see. All right, forecast for Boston goes like this. For the balance of the afternoon, partly sunny. We start off sunny. We cloud up before dark. It's cold. Teens, low 20s. Cloudy overnight with rising temperatures. Slight chance of flurries or a little bit of light snow. By morning, I think we're over freezing in Boston. And tomorrow itself, a changeable day. It's cloudy. It's mild in the morning. Low and mid 40s in Boston. Could be rain showers changing to snow squalls. Again, temperatures plummet by dark. There might be some slick roads for some of us for the afternoon commute. Tuesday, back into the deep freeze near 20. Cold on Wednesday, low 20s. Slight moderation here Thursday and Friday in the upper 20s. And there could be some storminess by next weekend. We'll have to watch that for you. I think the pattern is going to be changing to a stormy one. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Eisenthal.